Here are the 3 things that I believe eTap can help you the most with. Number 1, we do online bookings for you so that you can get bookings from Google, Facebook, and Instagram, along with many other channels online. And we aggregate it all in one place so you don't have to fuss around with different platforms. Number 2, we can help you manage your day-to-day operations on the floor by making sure that you have a floor plan that you can relate to the guests who are seated. This means that you will never overbook time slots again, and you'll never have upset customers waiting for tables unless you're really busy. Number 3, you can automatically message your guests before the reservation and after their reservation. If you message them before their reservation, you can confirm the reservation with them and make sure that they actually show up. If you message them after the reservation, you can collect reviews from them to make sure they have a better experience the next time they come back.